Hello guys. Imagine having your own AI assistant that works 24/7, replies to messages, automates tasks, helps with coding, manages workflows, and keeps working even while you sleep. That's exactly why OpenClaw is becoming popular right now. And the best part? Now Hostinger lets you launch OpenClaw in just one click without any complicated setup. Here's exactly how to claim the Hostinger OpenClaw discount. First, click the special Hostinger OpenClaw coupon link in the video description. Once you open the page, see here, one-click OpenClaw. Click this. Now, scroll down and pick the plan you want. If you are a beginner, I highly recommend choosing Managed OpenClaw because Hostinger handles almost everything for you automatically. Now click Choose Plan. Then select your billing period. This is another important trick. The longer billing plan usually gives the biggest discount. So if you choose 12 months, 24 months, or longer, you normally save much more money. Now make sure the discount is already applied, then click Continue to Checkout. Now enter your email and set your password. Once done, you will be redirected to the payment page. Complete the payment and you will receive a confirmation email. And that's it. You have successfully claimed the OpenClaw discount. So now, here's how you can use OpenClaw. It is very simple and takes just 2 minutes to set up. Enjoy using OpenClaw. If you have any questions, comment down below. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.